Good afternoon, my name is Caleb Oliver and I'm going to make some tea and Kool-Aid for my project. First, I need to put 2 cups of sugar in both thingies, whatever you want to call it. That's 1. That's 2. That's 1. That's 2. Take this and fill it up with water and then boil it. About that much. Then set it on high, 9 or 8, and let it start to boil. And for Kool-Aid, since we already got the sugar, I can just take one of these. It says 1 for every ½ gallon, but it tastes the same either way, so I'm just going to use 1 for a gallon. I'll rip it open and pour it in there. After that, I'll just fill it up with water. Now I just need to stir it. Just take something, this one was the one I had, and you just stir it until the sugar's stirred into it. Now I have some Kool-Aid. Now we're gonna let that boil and we'll come back later. Now that it's done mixing with the water, I first need to turn it off. Then I need to grab it because the thing's hot with an oven mitt. And take it over here where I have the gallon, whatever you want to call it, jug. And I need to do it, pour it in while making sure the tea bag stays in this. After that, I just need to fill it up with water multiple times till it gets to where you want to be. After that, pour it again. One more should do. Then I just mix it again. Now that's done mixing, I need to put the lid on, and then I'll put it in the fridge. But first I'm going to get the tea bag and throw it in the garbage. And that's how you make tea and Kool-Aid.